Jarifam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been so freaking long that I posted on YouTube. I'm sorry, I was MIA, but don't worry, here I am. And thank you for all the 2-3 people who actually reached out to me on my DMs asking everything's fine and how are you, why are you not posting. So I'm completely fine. Thank you for messaging me. It was very sweet and kind of you. But yeah, I'll catch you up on this video. So let's get started. I used my Zara fragrance in Oriental, and now I'm going ahead with my Bioderma moisturizer. Quick thing, this is one of the greatest moisturizer on planet Earth. So if you're a dry skin and you really want something thick and nice, this is the moisturizer for you. Trust me guys, I paid around $700, but it's worth it. Like, it's such a big tube, it's gonna last you forever and ever and ever, and your skin is going to thank you. It's an amazing moisturizer, so please go ahead and buy it. And yeah, let's get to the chit chat part. Okay, so where have I been? Nothing happened to me. First of all, luckily, touch wood, nothing happened, everything was fine. It's just that for all of you who don't know, I have a corporate job and I have to prioritize that first. So I was just busy with that for a few weeks, and my weekends actually used to go in delivering that work. And in between I did shoot video, but I think my energy was so consumed over there that I did not got a break in between. And then with my office work and then shooting, it was getting too much because I was not able to remove or give the outcome that I wanted to give in my videos I shot. But then I used to look very exhausted and tired in my videos, which was not a great thing. It was just not coming as per my expectation. So I thought, what, it's fine, let me just take a little bit of break, it's all right. And I did that, and then as soon as I wanted to shoot and everything, my skin went for a toss. Like, especially my skin barrier, it went so itchy and it went so red and dry, and I was just not understanding what suddenly happened to my skin. Luckily, I have a very good dermat. She guided me, so I then took care of my skin. But then almost 2 weeks went by for my skin to heal. Quick tip over here, or just one experience that I learned during this skin phase, which I really want to share with you guys. In case if you have itchy, dry skin, if you feel like your skin has just gone for a toss and you want to heal your skin, you can actually put soframycin. My dermat recommended this to me, and let me tell you, out of everything, soframycin worked it wonders on my skin. Now see guys, that was my very personal experience. It worked out for my skin. It may or may not work out for you, so please do a patch test. And if you have a dermat, please consult your dermat or Google it. But this is my personal experience which I went through, and I really wanted to share with you that, because I took a proper break from my skincare routine, but still nothing was happening. I could still feel my skin being itchy and dry and sensitive, and I've never had such kind of a skin. But anyway, I just applied soframycin, followed up with my moisturizer and my sunscreen. I applied it twice a day, and it did wonders on my skin. So really, that's one tip that I wanted to share. But as I said, that every skin is different, so please do a patch test and then see if it works out for you or no. But I'm guaranteeing you, if you want, like, soframycin is there to heal your wounds, right, heal your skin, and it exactly did that for me. So that's one thing. I think then when my skin got better, I just sat down and shot this video for you guys. And let's move on to another thing. What else did I do? So recently I also attended concert on Friendship's Day, and oh my god, the music concert was so great. So I went to Dome. If any one of you attended concert at Friendship's Day at NSCI Dome, hi, I was also there on the stands and just having fun. It was a great music experience, especially the Sanam band. They nailed it. Like, guys, if you are a fan of Sanam band, if you have heard them, in on YouTube or on Wink or any music platform, I highly recommend, please go out and check their concert in person. They are just like banger plus banger plus banger. Not even once they are beat drops or their entertainment drops. I got thoroughly entertained with Sanam band's music concert. It was my first time attending their concert, but I had so much of fun. And if you're a Bollywood retro person, if you're a 90s kid just like me, and if you love retro music, you're definitely going to love Sanam band. So like a huge shout out to them. I'm absolutely in love with them. I enjoyed their concert and I can go there again and again. And then there was a concert by Zayden and Ritviz. I've added the clips, so please do enjoy. So I hope you did enjoy my music concert clip, and in the meantime I just did my eye liner in the background. Now I'm doing blush. So yeah, coming back to my concert, there was the singer Zayden, as I mentioned in my clip. His song Tere Bina and 5 a.m. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with those songs. So if you're a Gen Z, you're gonna definitely love this guy. And then the entire concert got closed by Ritviz. So comment down below if you became Ritviz fan during lockdown with his release like Ud Gaye and Liggi and all of that. He was amazing. Like I love Ritviz music, and his concert was also really good and nice and fun. He did bore out a little bit in the end, but anyway, it was overall a good experience. So I do suggest, if you're really bored with clubbing, with parties, I highly recommend go out for a music concert with your friends. It's way more fun. Like you gotta just enjoy the beats, the music, and in live performances, the musicians actually bring a lot of variation which you may not see otherwise online. So guys, highly recommend that. So that was one happening thing which I did. And recently I've also realized that whenever I go to Bandra, so this is all for my Bandrites, my Bandra people. Whenever I go there on a Friday night, apparently none of the cafes play Bollywood over there. I don't even think it's only Friday night, just usually. Like I've got same cafes in South Mumbai and they play good Bollywood music. But apparently, whenever I go to Bandra, the same cafes, they never play Bollywood. They always play Hollywood music. 3 to 4 cafes have just like, sorry ma'am, we just play Hollywood over here, and at our other branches, we play Bollywood. I'm like, why? Why do Bandrites only like Hollywood music? I don't know, guys, but that's what I've realized. 3-4 times straight up it has happened to me. So let me know in the comments if you've also felt that Bandra cafes only play Hollywood music, especially on Friday nights. I think in Saturday nights still you'll get some Bollywood, but otherwise majorly it's Hollywood music. So I think if you are someone like me who loves Bollywood, I think we gotta stick to like Andheri cafes at Andheri and far from there, or maybe cafes from South Mumbai. So we gotta stick a little bit towards it. But anyway, you guys, that's these are like few things which going on with me since a month, and with that I think I did my makeup as well. Here I'm just cutting my face because I wanted my cheeks and contour to be very sharp and highlighted, and that's what I'm doing. And that is it. This is my final look. My top is from Mintra, by the way. I'm absolutely in love with this top, so you can also check it out. And yeah, that's it. I'll continue seeing in my videos. Hope you like it. Bye.